Designing rustic garden rooms, cozy spaces for nature lovers. Introduction: the allure of rustic garden rooms. Rustic garden rooms have become an essential part of home design, offering a tranquil escape into nature while maintaining the warmth and charm of rustic aesthetics. Imagine a cozy, naturally inspired retreat where wood textures, earthy tones, and the outdoors blend seamlessly. Whether you have a small backyard or a sprawling garden, the concept of creating a rustic garden room offers a unique opportunity to extend your living space into nature. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of designing your perfect rustic garden room, filled with charm, relaxation, and the natural beauty that rustic design embodies. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more rustic home inspiration, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Choosing the perfect location, embracing nature's surroundings. The first step in designing a rustic garden room is selecting the ideal location. A rustic garden room should feel connected to its surroundings, so it's important to choose a space in your garden that embraces nature's natural beauty. Consider placing it near a tree line or a spot that offers picturesque views of your garden. If you have a smaller space, think about how you can maximize the natural elements around it, such as using vines or trellises to create a feeling of enclosure. Proximity to water features like a small pond or fountain can enhance the serene, peaceful Structural elements, crafting a rustic shell. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to think about the structure of your garden room. A rustic garden room is typically simple in design but rich in texture and warmth. The use of reclaimed wood, exposed beams, and stone accents will give your structure an authentic rustic feel. You might want to include large windows or sliding doors that open up to the outdoors, blurring the lines between inside and outside. For the roof, materials like weathered shingles or a thatched design can add to the rustic charm. Natural light, bringing the outdoors in. Natural light plays a critical role in rustic design, and garden rooms are no exception. When designing your rustic garden room, think about how light will flow into the space throughout the day. Large windows, skylights, or even open-air spaces can be used to bathe the room in natural sunlight, making it feel airy and connected to the outside world. The goal is to create a balance between light and shadow, enhancing the natural textures of wood and stone. You can also use curtains made from natural fibers, such as linen or burlap, to soften the light. Furniture and decor, crafting cozy comfort. No rustic garden room is complete without the right furniture and decor. Opt for pieces that reflect the simplicity and rugged beauty of rustic design. Wicker chairs, wooden benches, and distressed leather seating can create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. When choosing decor, focus on natural materials such as wool blankets, jute rugs, and hand-thrown pottery. Decorative accents like vintage lanterns, dried flowers, and woven baskets can add layers of texture and interest to the space. The idea is to Color palette, earthy tones for serenity. The color palette you choose for your rustic garden room should be inspired by nature. Earthy tones such as soft browns, deep greens, and warm terracotta create a calming and inviting environment. These colors not only blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings but also enhance the warmth and coziness of the space. You can introduce pops of color with nature-inspired hues like ochre, rust, or moss green, which complement the rustic style without overpowering it. The goal is to create a harmonious balance between the colors inside your garden room. Incorporating greenery, bringing nature inside. A rustic garden room is all about celebrating nature, and one of the best ways to do that is by incorporating plants into your design. Large potted plants, hanging baskets, and small herb gardens can breathe life into the space and make it feel more connected to the outdoors. Consider using native plants that thrive in your climate, so they blend seamlessly with your outdoor garden. Plants not only add beauty but also contribute to the relaxing atmosphere of the room. You can even take it a step further by incorporating living walls or vertical gardens, adding texture and lush greenery to your rustic lighting, enhancing ambience with a rustic touch. Lighting is essential for creating the right mood in your rustic garden room, especially in the evenings. The goal is to enhance the natural, cozy feel of the space. Choose lighting fixtures that have a rustic charm, such as wrought iron chandeliers, lantern-style sconces, or Edison bulb string lights. These options will provide a warm, inviting glow while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. Consider adding candles or small fire pits to enhance the ambience and create a soft, flickering light. Outdoor integration, extending your space. One of the most appealing aspects of a rustic garden room is how it integrates with the outdoor space around it. By incorporating features like outdoor seating, fire pits, or pergolas, you can extend your garden room beyond its four walls. Think of your rustic garden room as the centerpiece of a larger outdoor living area, where you can entertain guests, relax by the fire, or enjoy a meal surrounded by nature. Stone pathways, wooden decks, or gravel patios can create a seamless transition between the garden room and the rest of your outdoor space. Conclusion: creating your own rustic sanctuary. Designing a rustic garden room offers a wonderful opportunity to create a cozy, nature-inspired retreat that serves as an extension of your home. By carefully considering elements like location, structure, lighting, and decor, you can craft a space that feels both timeless and inviting. Whether you use it as a place to unwind, entertain, or simply enjoy the beauty of your garden, a rustic garden room can become a cherished sanctuary for any nature lover. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own rustic garden.